Hi everybody, today we're going to learn about the Dewey Decimal System classification. The Dewey Decimal System is very popular in schools and libraries for them to search for nonfiction books easier. Alright, so when you go to a library, you'll see that on the spine of each book there's going to be a call number, and each line represents a different category. The subject line is going to be in the top, so right here it has a J for junior. And then the second line is going to be the Dewey numbering system, as you can see here. And then the last line is going to be the first three letters of the author's last name. And right here it's MCC for McClung. And if your library is using the Dewey Decimal System, you'll see that each number falls into one of the main categories. For example, in this book, the first number is a 5, so if we look at the 500 category, we'll see that it's under the science category. And on the call number there, if you look at the second number, that will be under another subcategory. So if you look here, it is 59, and that is zoological sciences. The third number then enters into another subcategory, which is other invertebrates. And this is true for each number that's going to go down the Dewey Decimal number.
Now that you have learned about the Dewey Decimal System, go ahead and pause the video and look at this Dewey Decimal classification and name off the subcategories that this book falls under. So, since this book is under 500, we know that it is going to be in the science category, but it also has the 74, which tells us that it is in the life sciences section. And the book is squishy, misty, damp, and muddy, so we do know that it is in life sciences and under the science category.
Thank you for watching!